Meaning of exhaust.
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 Exhaust. The term exhaust refers to the complete consumption or utilization of a particular resource, energy, or substance. The result of exhaust is usually depletion or reduction in the amount or availability of the resource or substance being used up. Exhaust can be caused by various factors such as overuse, lack of replenishment, or simply reaching the maximum capacity of a system. For instance, an automobile engine can exhaust all its fuel, resulting in the car coming to a complete stop, while a forest can be exhausted of its trees, leaving barren land behind.